Hi, I am Rachel, cleaning expert of sanitizationsingapore.com. Today I am going to share how we clean dirty coins with vinegar. Is it safe to clean old coins with vinegar? Yes, it is completely safe to clean coins with vinegar. What is vinegar clean coins? Vinegar is acidic and will break copper oxide, which is responsible for the dullness of your coins. Why do coins turn green in vinegar? Vinegar helps the copper in the coin react with the oxygen in the air to form a blue-green colored compound called malachite. How to clean dirty coins with vinegar. 1. Get a plastic container, pour a cup of distilled white vinegar into the container, and leave your coins to soak in it for at least 45 minutes. 2. Withdraw the coins one after the other and sprinkle baking soda on every single one of them. 3. Rub the baking soda on the coin with a soft bristled brush until the dents start to come out. 4. Rinse the coins inside a bowl of hot water. 5. Place them on a towel and leave them to air dry.